Facts about iron. Iron is abundant in supply, which takes about 5.6% of the Earth's crust. Iron is a transition metal. The atomic weight for iron is 55.847. The electronic configuration: 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, 3p6, 4s2, 3d6. The density of iron is 7.874. Iron is malleable, ductile, and has a silvery shine. The atomic number for iron is 26.
Physical properties of iron. The melting point of iron is 1535 degrees Celsius and its boiling point is 3000 Celsius. At room temperature, iron is in the form of ferrite, or alpha iron, a body-centered cubic structure. At 910 degrees Celsius, it changes to gamma iron, which is face-centered cubic and somewhat softer. Thermal conductivities of iron is 3.37 calorie per second per centimeter Kelvin, while its electrical resistivity is 9.71 microohm centimeters. This means that iron metals are very good conductors of electricity and heat. By using the electric current, iron can also be induced to produce a magnetic field.
Now I would like to talk about the occurrence of iron in nature. Iron is the fourth most abundant element in the Earth's crust. Its abundance is estimated to be about 5%. Iron is also found in the sun and stars outside the solar system. It's also found distributed in the soil in low concentration and is found dissolved in groundwaters and the ocean to a limited extent. The most common ores of iron are hematite, limonite, magnetite, and siderite, as well as taconite, which is a mixture of hematite and silica, and it contains about 25% iron. Iron is extracted from its oxide ore, which is called hematite. The process of the extraction of iron is carried out by the following steps: concentration of ore, and in this step the ore is concentrated by removing impurities like soil. The process involves the crushing and washing of ore. The second step is calcination or roasting of ore. The concentrated ore is now heated in the presence of air. The process of roasting is done to remove moisture, CO2, impurities of silver and arsenic. Ferrous oxide is also oxidized to ferric oxide. The third step is reduction of ore, and the process of reduction is carried out in a blast furnace with a temperature of 1500 centigrade. The extraction of iron is based on the reduction of hematite with carbon to produce iron.
Industrial applications. Iron is the most used metal in the world. Before use, pure iron must first be extracted from iron ores, and then it is used to make steel. Steel is used to make thousands of other products including automobiles, locomotives, ships, beams used in buildings, furniture, paper clips, tools, reinforcing rods for concrete, and bicycles. There are also other special uses for iron. Powdered iron is mainly used in metallurgy products, magnets, high-frequency cores, and catalysts. Black iron oxide is often used as pigment in polishing compounds for metallurgy, medicine, magnetic links, and in ferrites for electronics. Iron blue can be used in paints, dyes, printing inks, plastics, cosmetics, laundry glue, and fertilizer ingredient. Finally, radioactive iron is applied in medicine as tracer element in biochemical and metallurgical research.
Reactions of iron. Iron is able to react with acids, oxygen, water, and halogens. Iron, oxygen, and water reactions form rust, which is shown in the equations below. Acid reactions. When iron reacts with an acid, it forms an ionic compound of the metal and hydrogen. Reactions with oxygen. Iron is able to react in moist air with oxygen to produce iron oxide. Oxidation and reduction reactions are shown below. Halogen reactions. Iron is able to react with halogens such as fluorine, chlorine, and bromine to form ferric halides. Iron is also able to react with iodine to form iron iodide.
When handling iron in the lab, care should be taken to avoid inhalation or contact with the skin and eyes. 20 milligrams per kilogram of body weight is toxic. Overdoses are dangerous as free iron in the body forms damaging free radicals, which harm protein and DNA. It is corrosive to the small intestine, causing abdominal pain and nausea. Overdoses are common in children and individuals having frequent iron transfusions. 60 milligrams per kilogram of body weight is lethal. Iron is an essential mineral for health and development. Women should have 18 milligrams per day and men 8. 2/3 of the iron in the body is found in hemoglobin, which transports oxygen to all parts of the body. The remaining third exists in myoglobin, a protein in the muscles, and in enzymes. Deficiencies can result in fatigue, decreased immunity, and anemia. Iron can be obtained from meat and green vegetables. Supplements can also be taken. Ferrous fumate, ferrous sulfate, and ferrous gluconate are the most common forms of iron in supplements as they are most easily absorbed by the body.